Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to copy link from Instagram comment. If you want to copy link from an Instagram comment, so you just follow this step. Just open your Instagram app and then select the comment you want to copy link. As you can see, here is the comment in your here is the link in your comments. So just take a screenshot of this and then you just have to save it. And now open your Google Lens and here just select your screenshot and then tap on the link. Just select it and then tap on copy. And now you can see I have successfully copied the link. Now go to browser and here you can open your link. As you can see that it was link of Facebook. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.